So what I'm working on right now is moving this outlet up to above the countertop. I'll just delete this and then wire it up into the top and put a two receptacles in there. So that's where I'm at today. This this outlet had a box extender on it, so it was kind of far back there. And so I got the snake down to the outlet below. I drilled a hole in the top of this junction box down here, and now I'm pulling the wire. So I pulled the wire from the outlet below. Just tie it off up here. Got it tied off so it doesn't fall back down. So now it's time to wire it in. I took off my temporary junction box cover and put more of a finished cover on it. Alright, so I have these two outlets all wired in with a fancy switch plate that my wife likes.